Hey guys, welcome to Couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I'm doing pretty good today. I'm kind of rushing today because I am going to be joining this conference that's online through a webinar, and I'm really excited about it. So it starts very soon, so I don't want to be late for it. Anyway, what did I buy from CVS? I went in right quick, and I bought these lotions, the Vaseline lotions. You know, they were these big ones are $7.99. You buy one, you get one 50% off. I had a $2 off coupon off of each one, and when you buy $30 worth, you're going to get $10 back and extra care bucks, okay? So all in all, I bought 6. I bought 2 of the large ones, 2 of these large ones, the cocoa butter ones, and 2 of the smaller ones, all right? And so that was, I am really not even ready. My receipt is, my receipt, I hope this is the receipt. Yes, this is the receipt. Okay, so, oh, that wasn't all that I got, though. But then I also bought these. I bought 4 of them. And I really didn't stock up on them this week, but I bought 4 of these OxyCleans. So, okay, so you know the OxyClean was $3.99. I had that $3 off coupon that came out of the Smart Source this week. Okay, then these are lotions, $7.99. Then the small one was $3.99. All right, and and the next one was $3.99. Now this small one here was $4.79, and then the other one that was 50% off was $2.39. So I used my $2 coupons. I had 6 of them. I used all 6, and I used my $3 coupons. Then I had a $10 in extra care bucks that I used, and my subtotal came to $13.10. Before tax is just so doggone high, so my tax brought me to $17.16. I had a money card. I had $10.92 on the money card, so that took off $10.92. And I had to pay $6.25 out of pocket. So I got all of this plus 4 of these for $6.25. Plus I got back the $10 that I put out. All right. So that was my haul from CVS. And tomorrow I'm going to go back. I'm going to get some more of this because I have more coupons, and they're not limiting you, so they're ending up being 99 cents instead of $3.99. And we know that Walgreens, Rite Aid, and CVS has the same deal this week with this here stuff. And I might get some more lotion too, because my sister-in-law and her husband love the lotion. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, push that notification button so you'll be notified whenever your girl puts up a video. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Okay, bye-bye.